Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add a credit account to your Experian credit reports. Now there are a couple of methods to do this. First, let's talk about the online method. So how you want to do that is to go to Experian's website and log into your account, and then you want to click on the add account tab, and then just enter the credit account information, including the account name, account number, and of course the payment history. And then you want to verify that you are the owner of the accounts. Now for the mobile phone method, you can just call Experience customer service. The number is right there on the screen, and then just provide the credit account information to the representative and just verify that you are the owner of the account, and they're going to help you to take care of that. Now for the mail method, what you want to do is to download the accounts addition form from the Experience website, and then you want to fill out the form with the credit account information and attach supporting documents such as a copy of your credit agreement or payment records, and then just mail the form to Experience at the address provided. Now the required document that you are going to need is to provide a copy of your credit agreement. You're going to need a credit agreement. You're also going to need payment records, as well as a means of identification such as a driver's license or a passport. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.